Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. 1st of February, overcast, cold, windy, rubbish day. Why on earth I come into the allotment, I do not know, except for to do this monthly roundup. So if I turn the camera around and we can have a look as to how things are progressing or not. So look at that, rhubarb starting to emerge, a little bit of growth showing, which means it must be a little bit milder. Blackcurrant too, got some buds. I've whacked over some of the compost that was left over from the chili peppers last year, so that's gone on to those beds, or that bed. This bed's still very much a work in progress. Been lifting a load more of the carrots. There's some good sizes amongst here. Obviously that was never going to be a good size when I pulled it for the camera. Or is that? No. Anyway, you get the idea. We've still got plenty of carrots amongst there, and just working our way through. So yeah, this bed here, you can see the pigeons have started eating some of the kale, but not too worried, to be honest. I've got plenty of cuttings on the go at home. Just look how muddy this is, and this is me just trying to do a little bit of work the other day, or last week I should say. Elephant garlic still kind of doing its thing. Egyptian onions not really showing too much, odd bit of growth. Been working the way through some of the chard. Obviously it's weather beaten, but it's all right. Look at this, Welsh onions producing flower bud already, unbelievable. I might sow some more of those this year, just try and rejuvenate them. Kale again, loads. Made a little bird feeder. So this is very much still the work in progress. Pallets up for the new fencing, makes it look a lot tidier. Had a bit of a sort out on the canes. Another section of rhubarb down here. This is sort of the temporary bed, and this is what I was working on the other day. So this is going to be essentially merging two beds into one. So I've got that side leveled up and in, the back section secured across, and this bed, or this side of the bed, is done. Need to take out the pathway, and this will become more or less one large bed, and that bed's going to be for dahlias. So yeah, definitely watch this space. Hopefully for the next video it should take a bit more shape, I guess. Still got leeks in here. It's been unbelievably cold and obviously knocked the fennel right back, but some of it's coming good. I'm thinking I might just pull these turnips out because they're just not doing that much. And again, the last of the leek there. Job literally to finish today is just get this bit leveled, won't take very long. Garlic, I mean that's you know, enjoying the cold, I'll be honest. When it's not too wet, garlic gets motoring. I mean it has been wet, but nowhere near as wet as last year. So you can really see that garlic is more than happy with the cold weather. And that bed there, so try not to slip. This bed all across here is the onions, and this bed is the newly created one for the Jerusalem artichoke. I've got a few other things on the go at home which I'm planning to plant in here also, just to add a little bit of colour. I thought I'd show you this. Uncovered this morning. Look, the mole runs all the way through the plot because, yeah, very visible. And down there the moles are just absolutely rampant. But from a cold allotment, this is what it's looking like on the 1st of February, we'll go back to the house in a minute. So back at the house, just thought I'd show you what's going on in here before I head to the greenhouse. Got the potatoes on the go. You can see plenty of eyes developing. That variety is acoustic, which is a second early. And nothing sprouting as yet, but I've got some basil, 2 types of basil on the go there, plus some flowering seeds as well. So to the cold frame. So cold frame, exactly what it says on the tin. It's just a protective environment, no heating at all, so everything is coming on and growing according to the outdoor temperatures. These are elephant garlic corms, got some sand leeks on the go there, Carcassonne garlic, some Kingsland white garlic, the autumn sown lettuce, first batch of the perennial kale cuttings on the go there, just flowering bulbs. These are all the shallots here, a bit more allium, and then I've got some more garlic on the go there, sensu onion, some broad bean, Stuttgart giant onions there, and some fritillaria. Let's go to the greenhouse. So the greenhouse, definitely warmer, currently 14.9, so significantly warmer by about 10 degrees. Odds and sods really on the go here. These are just really not enjoying it, not doing well at all. That's the only one still with a little bit of leaf to it. That's the Camellia sinensis, or the tea camellia. Bit of chrysanthemum on the go, turmeric in dormancy periods, but we'll wake up soon. Plenty of lemons all coming through. Gave it a bit of a drink yesterday. The odd 1 or 2 dry leaves, but they've come off, so you always need to keep them a bit on the dry side. Chili peppers overwintering there. Look at that, the lemon verbena, aloysia, got buds to it. Yeah, narangilla, pretty much ripe, to be honest. I could cut those off and try them. Lemongrass. So down here are all the chili peppers and sweet peppers, so they're doing pretty well. Then got some celeriac there and cabbage. Then basically all of this lot are the dahlias. More dahlias, more dahlias, more dahlias. Other batch or second batch of kale cuttings, so you can see the roots developing there quite nicely. And then a couple of varieties of onion, and then an absolute stack load of different leeks. And essentially that's where I'm at for the 1st of Feb. So that is it. That's the 1st of February roundup done for the allotment and, well, what I'm growing. I think we're all guilty of it really. We're just sort of trying to wish the start of the year away so that we can, well, convince ourselves that it's the right time to do a bit more seed sowing, think about planting and all the rest of it that goes with your grow your own flower and vegetable plans. But we've got plenty of time, and I would like to think that by the middle of February update you'll notice a bit more has changed at the allotment. That's my plan anyway, we shall see. But yeah, if you've got any questions, then obviously send the questions to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you've liked the video, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so don't miss out on the future videos. And I always say it, but just enjoy yourself, have fun, and you know, if you've got a greenhouse or somewhere warm, go and sit yourself in there, work out what you're going to be growing, perhaps make a list and a bit of a plan. So till next time, bye for now.